How can I turn a spreadsheet row directly into a calendar event? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be using the details from that spreadsheet in order to create an event in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor, and we're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Sheets to Outlook Calendar. I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And my triggering app is going to be Google Sheets. And the event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to Google. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. Also, with our Google apps, we have to select which files and folders you want to share with Workload. So make sure whatever spreadsheet you're using is selected on this list already. We're going to be using this events spreadsheet, so it's already been shared with Workload. So we'll continue with our workflow. The spreadsheet is going to be that events spreadsheet. It's going to be sheet 1. Click continue, and we'll test our trigger. So we have a new event. We have a tech conference presentation, and we have a description of the event, the location, start time, and an end time. So we'll use that to build our calendar event in Microsoft Outlook. Click continue. We'll select Outlook as our action app. The event is going to be create event. Make sure we're connected to Microsoft Outlook. The calendar that I want to add this event to is just my basic calendar. You would select whichever calendar you want these events to be added to. The subject is going to be the title of the event. The start time is coming from column D of our spreadsheet. The end time is coming from column E. However your spreadsheet is set up is going to be how you map it onto the Outlook calendar. So you would have to create a spreadsheet that had these same fields. For the description, I want to put the description of the event, click enter, type the word location, and add my location. There's not a field for location within this action. And then we have to select the show me as free or busy. This won't work unless you choose, but whatever you choose here is going to be the same for all of these events. So I'm going to go ahead and say busy because I will be busy doing whatever the events are that we're adding to the calendar. You want to make sure you select whether it's an all-day event or not. So this is not an all-day event. And I'm going to assume all the events that are coming from our spreadsheet are not going to be all-day events. Test the action. And we have a success. So we can click continue here. I can check out my Microsoft Outlook calendar. And I can see this tech conference presentation was added to my calendar with the time, the date, the details, the location. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. So we can come back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a new spreadsheet row added to that specific spreadsheet, those details will be used to create a calendar event in Microsoft Outlook. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically creates a calendar event whenever you add a row to a spreadsheet. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.